Hello, everybody. I'm John Valentine, father.
Hello, I'm John Valentine, son.
Welcome to Father and Son. Hello, son. How are you?
Hi, Dad. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Today's a very exciting event. We're going to have a quiz game.
Sounds fun.
Quiz game. What happens is we're going to ask questions to each other about all kinds of topics. We're going to use the internet through my smartphone and Siri to find the answers. If you are correct, then you can enjoy eating a very wonderful piece of chocolate or a delicious green grape. If you're wrong, you have a choice of punishments. We've got limes and hot peppers and hot sauce.
Ooh.
We've got a balsamic vinegar drink and flat out yellow mustard. Okay, so these are the punishments and these are the rewards. Let's begin with question number 1. You choose the question, my son. What is the question?
How many teeth does a dolphin have?
How many teeth does a dolphin have? Have you seen a dolphin in real life?
Not lately, no.
Not lately. Have you ever seen a real dolphin?
Yes, at the aquarium, I think.
Oh, I see.
Maybe not. Actually, probably not.
I wonder, how many teeth does a dolphin have?
I would say 76.
76 teeth. You say a dolphin has 76 teeth. I'm going to say that a dolphin has 190 teeth.
What?
Yeah. I'm going to go with a high number, 190. You said 76. I said 190. Now, wait a minute. Do you already know this?
No.
Don't cheat.
All right.
Don't cheat. All right. How do I say that in Korean? Don't cheat.
반칙하지 마세요.
반칙하지 마세요.
Yes.
반칙하지 마세요. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Okay, let's ask Siri. Hey, Siri. How many teeth does a dolphin have?
My web search turned something up for how many teeth does a dolphin have?
Well, according to the internet then, a little searching here, it turns out that, how many teeth does a dolphin have?
It's a lot of reading.
It's a lot of reading. Here you go. An Atlantic bottlenose dolphin has 80 to 100 teeth. Wow. Okay, you won. Question number 1 goes to John Jr., my son. Okay, I'm going to eat a yellow pepper.
I'll have a grape.
Okay, ready? Cheers. This is my punishment. Oh!
Delicious.
Woo! That's very hot. Okay. Okay, I'm good. You had the grape? Whew. Only 80 teeth. I would never have guessed that. I thought they would have like so many. I would never have guessed only 80.